Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are doing well. Today I want to show you price effect can be decomposed into substitution effect and income effect given both goods are normal goods. Number 2, price of good X falls but price of good Y remains same. Our task. Number 1, we have to show price effect is equal to substitution effect plus income effect. Number 2, we also have to derive demand curve for good X, that is normal. So taking the first task, it is better to show it by using a Cartesian plane graph. So I am taking a Cartesian plane and here on the horizontal axis I am taking good X, that is normal good, and on the vertical axis I am taking good Y. Okay, so first I would like to draw a budget line. Its name is AB. Now draw indifference curve. IC1. This indifference curve is tangent at point E1, drawing verticals on the x-axis and on the y-axis. In this way we get x1, that is the equilibrium quantity of good X, and y1, that is the equilibrium quantity of good Y. Okay, now suppose price of good X falls. In this way your budget line will rotate outward. Here we go. This budget line, you can name it as A B prime. Initial budget line is AB. Now new budget line is AB prime. So this budget line is is rotated outward due to the courtesy of decrease in price of good X. Remember, there is vertical intercept is same. This is your vertical intercept. This is same because price of Y is not changed. Okay, only we are taking price of good X, that is price of good X being decreased. Okay, no. Now we will draw an other indifference curve, that is IC2. So your new equilibrium is E2. Okay, now this movement from E1 to E2 is called price effect. Your price effect, and if you draw vertical on x-axis, you can get x3. You can name it as x2, but I am naming it as x3. Also for good Y, you can purchase more units of good Y like Y2. Okay, so this subscript 3 or 2 doesn't matter. You can allot X and Y subscripts according to your own ease. Okay, now price effect equals to x1 to x3. Now this price effect may be decomposed into substitution effect and income effect. Okay, our first task is to show price effect equal to substitution effect and income effect. To demonstrate the substitution effect, we need to draw a new budget line, C bar. Make sure this new budget line C bar. Two important aspects must be considered for this new budget line. This CC budget line, this C bar budget line is called income compensating line. This is called income compensating line. Why it is called income compensating line? Because to show the substitution effect, you need to take some part of the money income from the consumer. I repeat, to show the substitution effect, you need to take some part of the money income फ्रॉम द कंज्यूमर. आपने कंज्यूमर से कुछ मनी इनकम वापस ले लेनी है. एंड रिमेंबर, इट्स अ फिक्टिशियस टेकिंग. आपने ये फ़र्ज़ी तौर पर, आर्जी तौर पर, या ऐसे समझ लें फ़र्ज़ी तौर पर आपने उससे मनी इनकम लिया या हकीकी तौर पर नहीं ली. नो, व्हेन यू when you take some part of money income from the consumer, your new budget line, that is income compensating line, is CC prime, and now you have enough income to purchase either this combination x1 y1 x1 y1 or any other combination on this first indifference curve IC1. Okay, so I am taking this combination E1 prime. So drawing verticals, it is x2, and drawing vertical on the vertical axis, it is y0. Now you can clearly see that you have purchased less amount of commodity y but more amount of commodity x. So this is what we call substitution effect. Substitution effect is having same income. Now the commodity whose price decreases, you need to purchase more units of that commodity and less units of the expensive commodity. Now as y is our expensive commodity. Okay, so you can say that your substitution effect equals to x1 x2. Okay, now in the next part, after showing the substitution effect, take the money income, the fictitious money that you have taken from the consumer. Now give it back to our consumer. I repeat, now it's time to give that money income that you have taken from the consumer back to consumer. So you will reach this new budget line B prime, and you will reach at the higher indifference curve and enjoy this point A2 equilibrium point and get more units of x and more units of गुड वाई. अब आपको जब पैसा वापस कर दिया गया है तो आप x को भी ज़्यादा परचेज कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम x2 to x3, और y को भी आप चाहें तो ज़्यादा परचेज कर सकते हैं अप टू y2. ओके, सो दिस मूवमेंट from x2 to x3 is called our income effect. So why income effect? What is the concept of income effect? As price of good x falls, your real income has been increased. Real income mean money income, or money income that can be denoted by using m or y. Now divide it by e. So this is your real income. As price of good x falls, your real income increases. So you can purchase more of x and y, because both are normal goods.